So I was looking for something to help with nail fungus, and I came across this nail repair pen, and these actual little pens come in a little tube like this, and they're super easy to use. As you can tell, they are actual pens, and when you open it up, you're just going to twist this, and then actually the gel will come out on the end when you turn it. It's like an orange color. And then once you see that, it's just like putting on fingernail polish. You just start painting your nail, and then you're gonna leave it on for 15 minutes. This is the size of it. And before you put it on though, you wanna make sure that you like put it on right when you get out of the shower or wash your, you can put it on your fingernails or your toenails. It works both ways, but then give it a little time, about 15 minutes to dry. Everything in here is all natural ingredients, so that's what I really like about it. Also that after about 3 weeks, that's what it took me, but you can notice a difference. I know some people notice results faster than that. I think we're all different, but just give it a little time, and now that mine is better, I just keep applying it so it doesn't come back. So even if you have like a little discolor, if it hasn't turned into a fungus, I would suggest starting it. I wish I would have started taking mine a little bit sooner than what I did before mine got worse. So like I said, I take it 2 times a day, and if you're looking for something, I've been very impressed with this one.